Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shikha Garg. Let's discuss about various forms of sugar today. So normally when we say sugar, we say it as a white processed sugar or chini, right? Then it comes to other forms of sugar, which you think is a better way to eat sugary things. You can take it as a jaggery. You can take as fruit sugars or any other kind of sugar or sugars which are of zero cal like stevia, like aspartame, like other things. So these all are different kind of sugars, or dates can be used in certain foods which are uh, sugary, right? So if you think sugar is jaggery or in terms of dates, it is lesser calories or it is not harming you, then you are wrong. Because jaggery again is sugar. Of course, the type of sugar varies. It's not that much processed, but of course, it is sugar. It has high calories, similar to white sugar. It is again processed. These days you do not get that kind of pure jaggery. Still, that jaggery, if it is, even if it is pure, it will of course contain more of iron because it's cooked in iron vessels. But there are certain chemicals related to the processing of jaggery. So again, it's a processed sugar. When it comes to date, although it's a natural fruit, you can say fruit sugar, but still it is a sugar and it is equally dangerous. So for specifically patients who are supposed to be not on sugar, specifically diabetic patients or who are on a diet, should not think it as an alternative to sugar, because these are different types of sugar, but these are not an alternative to sugar. Alternative to sugar are considered like stevia, like aspartame, etc. Aspartame is usually present in zero calorie cokes and zero diet, all things. They do not have calories, that's correct, but they are very much damaging. There are certain studies which says they can cause cancers also. Aspartame is not healthy at all. Stevia is again zero calorie. Stevia can be used as an alternative to sugar in terms of fresh plant you can take, or dried, whatever is available to you. Stevia can be used as an alternative. It's a good source, but excess should not be taken. It is again to be taken only in those cases where you cannot simply eat anything bland. Otherwise, try and take your tea, coffees, or other beverages as sugar free. That will work better. Do not try to put up other things as an alternative to sugar. They are not really helping. They're just a mental thing. You think you are not adding white sugar, but you are adding other things. Shakkar bhi even one, or that small desi chini, desi sugar. All these are sugar, right? All these have calories and they're more than even white processed sugar. Thank you.